क्या बात है, एक नंबर।
अंदर अमित ब्लैंक चेक है, साइन कर देना नेक्स्ट का स्पॉन्सरशिप का।
अमित पार्टी चाहिए, 1 लाख का चेक चाहिए। You know, the first lucky draw went to his daughter, and now the father.
I love it. अगले साल का चेक वापस ले। वो जीता नहीं, जीताया गया है। ऋषभ
अरे ट्रॉफी ऊपर।
यस सर।
यस
Yes, sir. So sit, 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 sir. Sit, 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 sit,
आज का एक्सपीरियंस तो ये थर्ड एडिशन है टूर्नामेंट का। पहले 2 साल से बैडमिंटन था और ये बार कैरम के साथ भी है। तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन द फुल ऑर्गेनाइजिंग इस कमिटी ने जो किया है बहुत अच्छा है। पूरा ऑल द इवेंट्स आर ऑन गोइंग ऑन टाइम। जो शेड्यूल उन लोग ने लॉन्च किया था, एवरीथिंग इज़ वर्किंग लाइक क्लॉकवर्क। जो उन लोग ने अरेंजमेंट्स किया फैमिली के लिए भी, तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग है। तो मेरी 4.5 साल की बच्ची घर पे भी देख रही है कि मैं खेल रहा हूँ और वो कॉल करके बोल रही है, अरे बहुत मज़ा आया आपको खेलते हुए देखा। प्लस फैमिली मेम्बर्स दे हैव इन्वाइटेड हियर, क्रिएटेड सिटिंग एरिया, इवन बच्चे लोग को ला के देन देयर इज़ games for them also. So it's a very nice thing with food and everything. So it's a full day event, and I would say it's organized amazingly.
So my name is Vivek Gautam. I'm an ex-national player and I've represented country as well. And जब हमने BI join किया था, so I never knew that they are conducting so beautiful events and जिसमें sports and involvement and every aspect is taken care of. So I am playing after 22 years and मेरे को लगा नहीं था कि वापस बैडमिंटन कोर्ट में आफ्टर रिटायरिंग एंड लीविंग द स्पोर्ट्स आई विल कम, बट इतना सब लोगों ने सपोर्ट किया और इतना encouragement दिया है, so that made us feel that okay, sports lovers and sports activity is still surviving and they are all supporting this, so it is good to be a part of it and I'm thoroughly enjoying it.
My name is Sia Agarwal. My experience is very good. I had fun और बहुत अच्छा था. I love badminton. I play. I go coaching. It's very good. यहाँ का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था. Like अगर आप जीतो भी तो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, और हारोगे फिर then you get the experience like हाँ ठीक है, next time और better हो सकता है. So I felt very good. I had fun and Bombay Industries Associations को बहुत thanks. थैंक यू.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम रिबेका है और मेरे पापा यहाँ पे BIA की मेंबर है एंड अभी मैं नेक्स्ट जेन BIA की मेंबर बनने वाली हूँ. यहाँ पे मुझे बैडमिंटन स्पोर्ट्स का ये जो पूरा प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है, इट वाज अ वेरी नाइस ऑर्गेनाइज एंड अ वेरी वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड प्रोग्राम. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली, लाइक आई थिंक विवेक सर ऑल्सो सेड, that sportsman spirit in general is a very big life lesson that we have to maintain in our day-to-day work. For example, if you want to be a better person in life in general, sportsman spirit is the way to go. So yeah, that's it.
Hi everybody, my name is Amit Sharma and we operate our businesses from Thane. I'm actually come from Thane. I've been part of BI since almost last 3 months, right from the speed networking. And it's fun actually, to see a lot of people gathered together. I don't think so any networking organization allows such a big tournament to be played. And it is a great experience. I'm enjoying, you can say, making a lot of good friends. And I look forward to be part of BI and in their successful journey as well ahead.
Hello everyone, my name is Pradeep Dubey. I'm from Andheri East. My office in Andheri East. I'm from Bhandup. Our business is Power Backup business. I joined BNI last 1 year. Hitesh Bhai organized the tournament is very good, and overall great networking and great people to meet and all. Thank you Hitesh Bhai, and well organized badminton tournament. It is good. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Akil Navlaki, National Sales Head for Precor in India.
We are a fitness and wellness company where we supply gym equipments and wellness products across the country. This is our first year's association with BIA, where we've come on board and we've had a great experience. I think some of the best industrialists are here playing to their potential. I like the enthusiasm. Even though on court they are aggressive with each other, off court it's a very cordial and loving association. So I think we look forward to this continued association with BIA and making these events even bigger and more better. Thank you.
So hi, I'm Hitesh Shah, current president of Bombay Industries Association. BIA एक बिजनेस एसोसिएशन है जहाँ के हमारे मेंबर्स MSME इंडस्ट्रीज़ के बिजनेस ओनर्स हैं. बिजनेस इवेंट बहुत लोग ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं. हम लोग स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट भी ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं बिकॉज स्पोर्ट्स इज़ द बेस्ट इनफॉर्मल नेटवर्किंग इवेंट. सो मेंबर्स एक साथ प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, एक साथ टूर्नामेंट खेलते हैं. आज जो हम यहाँ पे स्पिरिट देख रहे हैं हर एक मेंबर का, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली सुपर्ब. सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म टू हैव बिजनेस नेटवर्किंग इनफॉर्मली. ये आज फुल डे का इवेंट था हमारा, पूरा संडे का इवेंट था, सुबह 10 बजे से शाम को 7 बजे तक का. और अभी हमारे सेमीज़ का टाइम हो रहा है एंड एवरीबडी इज़ एंजॉइंग. छोटे से लेके बड़े, इट्स अ फुल फैमिली इवेंट टुडे एंड एवरीबडी इज़ हैविंग ग्रेट टाइम. कोई एज ग्रुप नहीं है यहाँ पे. 80 साल के लोग भी खेल रहे हैं और 15 साल के बच्चे भी खेल रहे हैं. एंड इट इज़ फॉर ऑल कैटेगरी एंड फुल फैमिली इवेंट. BIA हम हर एक साल एक स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं. एक क्रिकेट का रहता है, एक इंडोर स्पोर्ट्स में बैडमिंटन और कैरम का भी रखा है. सो इट्स अ फुल डे इवेंट टुडे. एंड इसके बाद हमारा स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट में क्रिकेट इवेंट भी आएगा, बट इसके साथ में हमारे बिजनेस इवेंट्स भी रहते हैं. बिजनेस नेटवर्किंग इवेंट्स, टूर्स रहते हैं, इंटरनेशनल डोमेस्टिक ट्रिप्स रहते हैं और दैट इज़ एंड ट्रेनिंग सेशंस भी रहते हैं जहाँ पर हम बिजनेस ओनर्स को ट्रेनिंग भी देते हैं. हर एक सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर ट्रेनिंग रहते हैं. जी श्योर, जिसको भी यहाँ पर जुड़ना है हमारे BIA के साथ कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, BIA ऑफिस में कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं एंड वी विल हेल्प देम टू गो थ्रू द रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस. जी थैंक यू सो मच.
हाय, I am Professor Krupanand. I am an international business coach and the member of Bombay Industries Association, a association which carries the legacy of networking, sharing, caring in the business deal and the business transaction for the people from last more than 77 years. Today's event was the indoor badminton tournament. It was one of the best event where all the business owners, they take time from their busy schedule, they come here, they participate here and they enjoy the team. It's not the case of winning or losing the game, it's a case of networking and making the best use of relationship with each other. This Bombay Industries Association is not having the indoor game. We are having the cricket tournament, we are having the domestic tour, we are having the international tours, we are having the training sessions. So those business owners want to make the best use of their talent and the skill, and they want to explore themselves nationally and internationally. This is one of the best platforms. So I'm very happy and I'm feeling honored to become the member of this Bombay Industries Association from the last more than 6 years. थैंक यू.
गुड इवनिंग, मेरा नाम श्रुति मेहता है. मैं डायरेक्टर हूँ इंस्टा न्यूट्रिएंट्स इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड की. आज ये इवेंट में बॉम्बे इंडस्ट्रियल एसोसिएशन के इवेंट में एज ए स्पॉन्सर मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया है. आई एम अ साइंटिस्ट फ्रॉम IIT बॉम्बे, मैं PhD स्टूडेंट देयर. एंड जो प्रोडक्ट हम लोगों ने डेवलप किया था उसका लॉन्च के लिए वी चोज दिस इवेंट एंड आई थिंक इट वाज द बेस्ट डिसीजन. हमारा सबसे अच्छा डिसीजन ये आने के लिए था. हम लोगों को काफ़ी अच्छे फीडबैक्स मिले, लोगों के साथ मिलने के लिए चांस मिला एंड इट इज़ अ बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म कि मेरा प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करने के लिए. आई एम रियली हैप्पी टू एसोसिएटेड विद दिस एसोसिएशन एंड गोइंग फॉरवर्ड मैं इन लोगों के साथ आगे भी जुड़ना चाहूँगी एज अ स्पॉन्सर एंड इन एनी वे लाइक एनी अदर वे पॉसिबल. या थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द अपॉर्चुनिटी.
मेरा नाम मनीष मेहता है. BIA में मैं लास्ट 5 साल से हूँ यहाँ पे मेंबर, एज ए मेंबर. और BIA की हर एक एक्टिविटी में मैं यहाँ पे स्पॉन्सरशिप देता हूँ एनर्जल ब्रांड की. उनको आप जो एनर्जल ड्रिंक देखते हैं ऑल ओवर इंडिया में बहुत ही फेमस है स्पोर्ट्स के लिए. स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन ये ड्रिंक्स पीते हैं स्पोर्ट्स के टाइम पे, वो मैं यहाँ पे स्पॉन्सर कर रहा हूँ. और BIA में एक ऐसी प्लेस है और यहाँ पे कि जिससे बहुत ही ब्रांडिंग मिल रही है मुझे, इसके लिए मुझे यहाँ पे मज़ा आ रहा है.
So my name is Rohan Dasadia and I am the MD of Capricorn. BIA में आई थिंक सो ऑलमोस्ट 2017 से हूँ मैं, 2017 या 2016 से हूँ मैं. मैंने ऑलवेज़ ट्राई किया है कि जितना हो सके उतनी हेल्थ एक्टिविटीज़ या स्पोर्ट्स इसमें मैं स्पॉन्सर कर पाऊँ, क्योंकि मैं खुद एक हेल्थ कंसर्न पर्सन हूँ. I like to have sports events, though this is a business development organization, okay, but I still feel that having such sports events, they really develop leadership skills. Not only that, but it also gives an opportunity to meet other members' families, their kids come to know that how these business organizations grow. It inspires them. We get inspired by them, and yeah, so that is how we have been. I have tried to be supportive for such kind of events.
So yeah, big thank you to BI and all the sponsors for organizing such a fabulous event. So this is the third year that I'm playing badminton with BI and have reached the semi-finals, so hoping to win the finals too. And thank you to all the sponsors once again for doing a fabulous job. Thank you.
मेरा नाम है प्रभुदास. My company name is Warp Engineers Private Limited. We are associated with this BIA last 8 years, and I am here in the sports event. I am a jersey sponsor. This is my company logo. So I am participating as this one, and this is a very good event. I think this is the third year. This is the first year actually I am a sponsor about this jersey and all. And overall, this is a very good event, and all get together, come each other closer. It's very nice. About VI is a very good experience. अभी तक जो मैंने experience किया है VI के साथ बहुत ही अच्छा है. And year by year I am gaining something. मैं कुछ ना कुछ सीख रहा हूँ और कुछ ना कुछ बिजनेस में भी काफ़ी कुछ मदद हो रही है, एंड काफ़ी कुछ लर्निंग है यहाँ पे. इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्लेटफॉर्म एंड इट्स वेरी ओल्ड ऑल्सो.
Hi, I am Siddharth Saraf, the Joint Treasurer at the Bombay Industries Association. I am also a committee member of the Sports Committee organizing this event today. This event has been organized annually to foster a good camaraderie amongst all the members. During the event, we've had more than 150 people and their families participate, and we've created a bond which will actually last a lifetime. The main agenda of organizing this event is to foster relationships, create create friends and families which will last a very long time for each one of them. Via this event, we've done badminton, we've played carom, and we've had very good food at the end of it. Plus, our team has also organized an experience which is blissful in nature, which is foot massages at the end of the day to relieve all the stress that creates while playing sports events. All in all, I hope our members have enjoyed the event, and we'll keep organizing such events and looking further to cricket coming up in the season as well as other sports. Thank you so much, and I hope if you find the event interesting, please visit us, email us or call us on the BI office numbers and do participate. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Ruchi Saraf. My company is Ketro Gourmet Gifts Private Limited. We are members of Bombay Industries Association, and we have sponsored chocolate boxes for the goodie bag. It's a family event where we've all come. I've also come with my family to participate in the event, to play badminton and carom. And it's a family event where we bond with each other's families. Ketro, something more about my organization. We are manufacturers of chocolate, baklava, dry fruits, fusion mithai, dates, and we are a women first organization. We service corporates, wholesale mithai stores, and we do a lot of corporate gifting also. So thank you. I am glad to be a part of Bombay Industries Association.
Good evening. I am Dr. Rajesh Doshi. I am the Vice President of Bombay Industries Association. I have been a part of BIA for more than 12 years now, and today we are gathered here for the badminton tournament, which is one of the events that we organize at BIA. The whole idea of organizing these events are to get the members away from their daily routine. This is a very good different environment that we are trying to create for them, where there's a lot of bonding that happens, there's a lot of competitive spirit that we see, and this is an event where all the family members also get a chance to come and interact with each other and increase the associations, the bonding between the members, and take it forward. Apart from what we organize like the sports event here, we are also doing a lot of other activities for the members. One of the activities that is coming forth is we are having a domestic industrial trip which we are taking to Bangalore. So we are taking our members to see some of the good industries where they can learn the best practices, interact with the different industries out there and learn, and also collaborate and see how they can have a growth in their own businesses. So this is what BI is all about, and our main purpose is to bring entrepreneurs together, facilitate, be a catalyst in their growth, and see how best we can all interact and grow together and promote the whole idea of Make in India and take us from local to global. Thank you.
मेरा नाम शैलेश परमार है और मेरा कंपनी का नाम BNB फसाड है और मैं 4 साल से BIA बॉम्बे इंडस्ट्रियल एसोसिएशन में मेंबर हूँ, लाइफ टाइम मेंबर हूँ। और आज के इवेंट में मैंने एक छोटा सा योगदान सहयोग किया है प्रेसिडेंट के हिसाब से, और इवेंट बहुत अच्छा हुआ। आज का एकदम प्रॉपर इवेंट हो गया। मैं आपका धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ BIA की पूरी कमेटी टीम को और स्पोर्ट्स कमेटी टीम को भी, बहुत इतना अच्छे से ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है और सबने इतना एंजॉय किया है। ये एक ऐसा गेम हो गया जो हार जीत का है नहीं, ये बॉन्डिंग का है। तो इतनी बॉन्डिंग हो रही है कि इतना रिलेशनशिप इतना बन रहा है कि फ्यूचर में ये बिज़नेस में भी कन्वर्ट हो सकता है। तो ये बढ़िया इवेंट हो गया। मैं सब टीम को पूरा धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ।
Hi, I'm Vihana Chaudhary, a proud team owner for this year's event. I want to congratulate BIA and Mr. Hitesh Shah for organizing this event so effortlessly and so smoothly. It's so nice to see so many players participating with full enthusiasm, and I want to congratulate BIA for hosting an event where they are promoting sports in our country this way. So looking forward to future association with BIA and more such events. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Agrawal and I am serving BIA in the capacity of treasurer. This event was organized by our sports committee as well as OB team, and this is really a well organized event, and we are very happy with the success of the event. यहाँ पे कहीं कोई कंपटीशन नहीं था, कोई जीत या हार नहीं थी, एक अच्छी खेल भावना थी, एक अच्छी फीलिंग थी, एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था, और सब लोग मिलजुल के एक साथ में जो टीम बॉन्डिंग के साथ जो मतलब एंजॉय कर रहे थे, वो मेजर एक आउटकम था इस इवेंट का, कि आपस में जितने भी हमारे BIA के मेंबर हैं सब में एक हारमोनी बने, एक सिनर्जी अच्छी जनरेट हो, और हमें बहुत खुशी है कि हम वो करने में कामयाब हुए. And I'm really thankful to all the team owners, the sponsors, all our team players, that they really played well, they enjoyed well, and overall it was really an wonderful event, and I thank you all for the success of this event.
I'm Narendra Ruya. I've been associated with BIA for last 30 years, and this sports committee has done a beautiful job, and they've been promoting. We started with cricket, then we have done badminton, and now we are doing carom. So with industry, I always feel it is always better to promote the younger generation to come in, because if you have younger generation to come in only for listening business talks, they will not be interested. So it's just connecting with the family of BIA and promoting sports, which is also a part of wellness. I'm a proud team owner since the cricket started and since the badminton started, and it's a very, very healthy this for the association. It's never about winning or losing, it's just being a part of it.
Hi, my name is Shraddha. I had an amazing experience in the BIA badminton tournament, and the event was organized very well. Also, special thanks to the volunteers and organizers. I'm looking forward for more such events in the future. Thank you.
It's a great, I mean, the Bombay Industries Associations, I'm so happy to be associated with them. And the way they conduct the program so professionally, and the young team, average you must have seen they're around probably 25 only. And 13, 12 teams bringing together, on the one platform. And that is also of the business people, those who are otherwise so busy in the businesses. To pull them out from them and build up such a team, it's a great bonding they have done. And I must appreciate that. And I wish them they continue throughout the next 10 years, 10 decades. And I wish that people graduating from this tournament, they will go at the state level, then national level, and then rise to definitely at the global level, And the possibilities I see great. The talent what we have discovered today is fantastic. And I wish them all the best, all of them. Thank you. All right? Oh, we are into township development mainly. And more than that, we are helping people, to go to the next level in terms of helping them create wealth. And our major aim, our purpose of the company is ultimately to see that we help eradicate the poverty from the world. So that is what we are working on, to see that through our business ventures, we can help people grow and certainly, whatever the poverty is there, we can reduce that poverty from the world. That's what our main aim is. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to thank Bombay Industry Association and Roman, our Bhupen Bhai, who sponsored the program. We always take the participation in games. When I was in college, then also I was a game secretary. So today we have won, and we have won 2 trophies. One is for badminton and other is overall trophies also. So thank you everyone, and it was a good participation. This credit goes to our players who have done the wonderful job.
I'm proud of my team who played for us and got this trophy to us. Thank you.
I'm Sukrut Mehta. I'm the director of GlucoRx Healthcare India. R is a company that promotes family health and nutrition, and we've got into India's first 15-day Bluetooth-enabled continuous glucose monitoring system. So you can monitor your glucose and diabetes without a prick in a painless and seamless manner. So very happy to associate with the Bombay Industries Association. The indoor sports tournament is a place that has gotten together families and a lot of fun for quite a few of my colleagues and for people looking to get active, and we are very happy to support this endeavor.
Good evening guys, this is Meet Chheda. I represent Team Armor Forcial Private Limited. We are the only manpower tech company in the country. Today we played the tournament. It was great. There were 12 odd teams with 8 players in each. It was a fantastic tournament organized by BIA. Keep going guys. This is the way you make things happen. There were entrepreneurs with different industry just playing, leaving all the business sense away, and that was a great fun. Thank you.
I was called as a backup because one of the player from my friend's team just got he backed out, so I had to come in, fill in for him. But it was fantastic. The environment is so warm. The environment is of BIA is very, very friendly, irrespective of age. Everybody's very open-minded, so I love coming here. It's been annual membership, but it's fantastic. It's nice here. So yeah, the game was fantastic. We almost won, but yeah, we almost lost also. So yeah, it was nice. We came 4th. So yeah.